Hi, welcome to Pan Review. Today is Thursday, June 18th, and Ello has released their first mobile app. So after you sign in, you'll be taken to this page. And this page, scrolling through it, to be honest, I'm not sure what it is. But from reading the text, it indicates to me that these are just kind of the artwork of other people's posting, and they just kind of stripped out the photos and displayed it here in one place. So I would say this circle tab is for viewing only artwork from people's posts. And you'll notice that on top that there is three controls. There's the hamburger menu, the tab button, and the search functionality. So the tab button currently is on friends. And what's interesting is none of these people are my friends on Ello. So I guess like if your friends haven't posted anything, they'll just show you what the community has posted, which I guess is better than no content. And noise is kind of like acquaintances that you follow. And once again, besides Ello, the other people that are on, oh actually no, they're all Ello. So this is filtering properly. So all these posts are by Ello, which I follow as a noise or acquaintance. Yeah, so now the hamburger menu. This is interesting that it's placed there because it has a bunch of miscellaneous items, which I guess can be appropriate for a hamburger menu, but um, at the same time it's kind of hidden. It might be better if the hamburger menu was kind of like another tab button with the three dots, kind of like what you see on Facebook. Yeah, because Facebook initially had a hamburger menu themselves, and I think through some like user experience testing, they found that these controls became really hidden. Like the hamburger menu itself is pretty hidden. And then on the right, there's this search functionality. So when you're looking at this, it's kind of unclear what you're searching for. And down there, you see that they have their little marketing pitch for you to I guess, invite or connect with friends. But the search functionality, although it's unclear, if you try it out, it is for searching other users on the Ello network. So here, for example, I search for Ello, and so everyone with the Ello handle is returned. So now that we're kind of done with the circle page, we're gonna go on to the sparkling star page. So when we look at the sparkling star page, one thing that I immediately notice is the find invite friends button. So they're very Ello's being very aggressive with trying to get, I guess, you to invite your friends. And yeah, and that's where the value of, I guess, a social network is. You need friends and network and people in your network. But yeah, so this, I'm not really sure what it is. It just seems like a live feed of what the Ello community has been posting. Because I don't, I do not like follow any of these people either as friends or noises. So this just might be public, but once again, I'm not like very active on Ello, so this just might be the default when I guess you have like no friends or your friends aren't active either and they don't post anything, so they just display public information to you, which is good because some content is better than no content. And you'll see this discover bar on top with the search, and you're kind of thinking, so what am I trying to discover? And so the interesting is you can't click on discover. So discover is actually the name of the page. So this is definitely for just like discovering other people's public content. So that hourglass, yeah, is for searching users again, as we did previously. So that's a bit confusing to me. To me, this sounds like, oh, I would be able to search maybe for posts within certain topics. But you'll notice that if we open a post, that these posts are not organized by topics or by any way. And I'm assuming Ello also hasn't indexed, I guess, the terms in these posts that allow it to be searchable. But cool, I opened this post, and this person's working on some Alice in Wonderland piece, this mushroom, which looks cool and edible. And you'll see down here that there's like a kind of view count, comments, some hearts, reposts, and more controls, share and flag. And this post, there's just some people kind of commenting. I could do the same thing, but I won't. So that's pretty cool. Alright, so the next tab now is the lightning bolt. And the lightning bolt is much more intuitive because it's used frequently as an icon for notification, and that's exactly what it is. So once again, this notification is the header for the page, but the search bar is there as well, and they're both the same color, so that's super confusing. So I feel like if it's the header of the page, it should just be darker than that search bar, or that search bar should just be a completely separate element. Alright, but enough about that. Going on to the profile page now. So profile page, I got 7 views, 0 comments, 0 hearts, 0 reposts. Yeah, I need some love, guys. So if you guys are on Ello, feel free to come by and check out my profile and give me some love. And the last tab, which I think is extremely interesting for its placement, is for commenting, is for posting like something to your feed. And I find that interesting because it seems like the app is more focused on consuming content rather than producing content. So putting I guess the comment as the last tab seems odd to me because I feel like the balance between consuming and producing needs to be maintained for a social network. So I personally would have this comment tab much closer towards the center, just from a user experience standpoint. But yeah, this is Ello. It's yeah, it has some enhancements that could be made to the UI and also the UX. Yeah, like for example, how do I get back this menu? It doesn't come back so easily. Yeah, but great. But yeah, I think this is a good first version 1. It's a bit confusing to use the app, but this just might be purely due to the fact that I don't use Ello. But yeah, but I guess like from a first time user experience, these are my impression. Good version 1, and I'm sure they'll be coming up with more updates. Alright, thanks for watching Pan Review, and stay tuned for more reviews on apps.